Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by testing a hidden spot to confirm the vinyl tolerates solvents. That saves time and damage. Next, gently lift loose paint with a plastic scraper. Hold it almost flat and push, not pry. Once paint flakes, apply a 70% isopropyl-soaked microfiber for 30 seconds to soften stubborn bits. This breaks adhesion. Make sure to wear gloves and keep pressure light, because aggressive scraping or strong solvents will gouge the vinyl. Now you focus on the remaining paint. Dot small amounts of solvent, do not soak, and wait 20 to 30 seconds so the binder softens. Then rub with a folded microfiber using circular strokes. Once loosened, lift residue with the plastic scraper. Repeat the dot Waitrub cycle rather than increasing force, because time helps dissolve paint without harming vinyl. Once the surface is clean, mix mild dish soap in warm water and wipe thoroughly to remove solvent traces, then dry completely. To finish, apply a vinyl conditioner to replenish oils and blend the cleaned area. This prevents a noticeable patch. If a faint stain remains, try a citrus-based remover very sparingly and only after testing, because citrus can soften some vinyl formulas. If you notice whitening, softening, or surface damage, stop immediately. These are signs of overexposure. Let the area dry and use a vinyl repair kit or a pro for color matching. Remember, gentle, patient work prevents permanent harm.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.